Tito, a jungle whiz. He loved chasing colorful butterflies deeper and deeper into the green maze. One day, a particularly bright one led him way off track. The tall trees hide the familiar path, and Tito's happy exploring turned into a worried, oh no, he was lost. His tummy did flips as creepy noises filled the air. Suddenly, a flash of blue caught his eyes. It was a bird with a giant, colorful beak, unlike any he had seen. Wow! Hey there, Tito blurted. The bird ruffled its feathers and squawked. Lost, little dude? Tito blinked. A talking bird. Totally cool. The bird, whose name was Tico, by the way, chirped directions, leading Tito through twisty vines and across bubbly streams. They even saw monkeys swinging like acrobats. Finally, Tico pointed out a giant, wonky tree, a landmark Tito knew from his village. Relief washed over Tito like a cool waterfall. Thanks, Tico. You are the best, Tito exclaimed. Tico winked. Remember, jungle's awesome, but always stick to the path, okay? Back with his worried fam, Tito learned a big lesson. Exploring was fun, but safety was even cooler. Maybe, just maybe, there were more talking birds friends waiting as long as he explored smart. If you like this story, please subscribe the channel, like and share it with others. See you in the next video.